Hello guys, and today I'm going to show you my review of the Lenovo IdeaPad L340. So before we start this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, let's get started. The Lenovo IdeaPad L340 is a mid-range gaming laptop that has many variants in terms of specs and is one of the higher regarded gaming laptops at its price. I have done a review on the laptop last year with a different model of the laptop, but this is just an updated review with what is the best valued variant of this and seeing how well all the things hold up this year. Its price is inflated quite a bit due to the current situation at like $750 as compared to around $600, but I do think it will come down eventually. With this model, you get a 9th Gen i5 and a GTX 1650, which is pretty good at this price. So in this review as well, we'll be taking a look at these aspects including build quality and design, port selection and input, keyboard and trackpad, sound, display, performance, thermals and battery life. So that is why the first aspect we'll be taking a look at will be the build quality and design of the laptop. The build of the Lenovo IdeaPad L340 has actually aged decently well, as even now most gaming laptops have a very gaming oriented look which some might like but a lot do not, and at the time it fills the gap perfectly in terms of design, and it still does. It is completely made out of plastic but feels quite solid due to the type of plastic used, and with this brushed metal finish it has a slight different look to other very generic laptops. You also get a blue accent here, and the backlighting used here is also blue. Creaking and flexing on the chassis is not much even when applying high amounts of pressure, which just assures that it's built well. The biggest positive on the build was the weight and size of it for the performance. It weighs in at around 2.1 kilos and has a thickness of 24mm, which is almost nothing as compared to other gaming laptops. Therefore, this is one of the best portable gaming laptops by far, and even though the look isn't that exciting, these positives easily make it more than good enough for me. The input and port selection on this is also pretty solid, with 2 USB 3.1 Type A ports, 1 USB-C port, HDMI, Ethernet, a headphone microphone combo jack, and power in. This is quite good for a laptop this size, and it should be plenty for most things you would want to do and connect. The keyboard and trackpad are both good but have a few flaws. The keyboard is good, which it always is with Lenovo laptops, and it has a chiclet-style keyboard with decent amount of travel and good feedback. There is ample space between the keys, so it doesn't feel cramped up, and the blue colored backlighting is a good addition that is useful and also adds some character to the look. The trackpad on the other hand, while having good tracking and a smooth surface, has a click that is quite hard to press and is quite stiff. For casual use, the trackpad is fine, but even if the trackpad was good, I'd always recommend using a mouse for any tracking. Sound quality and speakers on this are average. The sound quality itself from the speakers is quite decent, just with a lack of bass, but the main problem here is the volume, which is not loud enough. So in a quieter environment, it should be fine, but in a more noisy place, I would highly recommend using headphones or external speakers. The display on this is also pretty solid, with a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS panel with great contrast, good sharpness, very good brightness, and good viewing angles. I think for its price, it is again the best display on a gaming laptop in terms of just looks. However, it is only 60Hz, which is expected out of this price and is still very much usable. Performance on the IdeaPad L340 is probably its best aspect and has incredible value. It comes with an Intel Core i5-9300H CPU, 8GB of RAM, a 512GB SSD, and the Nvidia GeForce GTX 1650. These are pretty solid specs considering the price and are great mid-range components for 1080p gaming and editing. Normal work is easily doable due to the fast SSD and CPU, and the GTX 1650 is quite a powerful GPU at its price and is an upgrade over the GTX 1050 which was on other models of the Lenovo IdeaPad L340. I didn't have any issue with any of the specs underperforming, which is a good thing, and the only thing that can be upgraded here is the RAM, which would be a lot better if it was 16GB and dual channel, but other than that, the specs are more than good enough. Thermals are pretty decent, with no thermal throttling with this model, but it does get quite warm once it's at high load on the surface. For example, when the laptop is on your lap and if you're playing a game, you might feel some discomfort due to the heat, but other than that, it stays silent and cool. Battery life is also pretty solid on this model for a gaming laptop. You can make the laptop last around 6 hours with medium usage, with video watching and medium to high brightness, which is solid for these specs and especially on a gaming laptop. Overall, battery life is also a plus point for the laptop. So the final verdict for this review is that this is still one of the best price to performance laptops out right now with a blend of everything. It doesn't have any major flaws and is almost like a jack of all trades as it is good at everything. For someone who doesn't want to spend a lot and still wants to get great performance, this is the laptop you should look at first. So that's it for the video guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.